This is New Richmond. The water has swallowed several streets, and as you can see, homes too. Things are starting to recede, but not quickly, the waters. There are portions of New Richmond that cannot be accessed by car. Streets and homes are still flooded, and we came across Mariah Blair, who lives in this home with her husband, her 4-year-old, and her dog. She was walking through the debris-filled water surrounding their home, trying to get rid of the garbage that's flowing all around that home. And when I asked her what she was finding, this is what happened.
We found parts of a boat. We found lots of wood with just nails in it everywhere. So it's pretty
It's dangerous for being in this water.
It is. There's just a lot of stuff. It's so big to clean up.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I can't imagine what this is like for you.
I'm sorry. I haven't done that yet.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look, it's okay. You deserve to be upset. This is your home.
Yeah. It's been a lot to handle. It did not make it inside, luckily. It just got very, very close.
Now, she hasn't slept much, and she sent her daughter to a friend's house to stay until this water subsides entirely. She feels it's safe for her to go outside, but she won't leave New Richmond. She says this is her home. It's where she's been her entire life, and she's certainly not alone in this community and in communities all over the tri-state.